Hi, it's James from Crystal Green Energy. Welcome back to our video series. In this series, we're going to be talking about our luminosity lens. In our first video, we talked about the 5 elements comprise our combined heat and power panel. The first one being the luminosity lens. As you can see, we have 9 lenses on our panel. There's 5 points that I want to talk to you about our lens. The first point is that it's made of a material that creates a 98% reflectivity of all the sun's rays, allowing us to capture as much energy as possible. The second point is that it's made up of a quad CPC design. CPC stands for compound paraboloid concentrator. It's a big tongue twister. You don't have to say it anymore. The third point, that we can collect in our quad CPC design a total of 2,400 times sun's concentration onto our cells. The fourth point, it's very adaptable to other concentrated photovoltaic cell technologies now and in the future. So as technology advances, so will our lens. The fifth and final point is that our lens collects and concentrates 98% of the sun's energy in a very uniform pattern that covers almost all of the concentrated photovoltaic cell surface area for each layer. That means ultraviolet rays, visible light spectrum, and the infrared spectrum. I've given this little diagram more or less to show you the differences. Older technology that the typical panels use, and then ours with our lens. Typically in a lens such as, let's say, a Fresnel lens, it has a focal point. Each one of these focal points has a different length to it, and this triple junction photovoltaic cell has 3 layers. And if this focal point isn't at a certain spot, it doesn't actually create enough energy, and it loses that energy. Our lens is totally different. Each one of our of the wavelengths is actually concentrated into our Winston cone, which is the CPC that I was talking about, and makes it a homogenized blended mix, which actually goes and covers the whole surface of each one of the triple junction cells. So that's it for our luminosity lens. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be describing the quantum dot triple junction photovoltaic cell. Thank you again for watching our video, and have a great sunny day.
Crystal Green Energy Corporation, harnessing the sun today for a greener earth tomorrow.